when we come to standing to do the back body sternum spiral stretches, you can call this, I sometimes call this the Maypole. It's important that we do it seated first, the mermaid sequence with the strap. And then when we come to standing, we're going to have the same kind of idea of the arms are coming to the high diagonal. We're working within the context of introversion. So I'm tucking my tail, I'm softening my knees, tucking my tail, curling my sternum, elbows soft and wide, yeah? So we have that long hoop in front of us at the high diagonal. We're going to take the feet, they're going to be much wider than shoulder width, so I call this wide stance first with both hands. So wide stance, by getting a shift into, I'm going to mirror you guys again, by getting a shift into your left foot, in the ball of the foot at the fourth metatarsal head, very light contact like you have an egg under your heel. Not wanting to crush the egg, we tuck the tail, we curl the sternum, we lengthen up and away. I should get that same type of arc in my body. As I hang back and through, I transfer to the right foot. As I curl the sternum up and away with the arms, spiraling through. It's a pretty small movement, keeping that tuck of the chin. I get a lot of cracklies in my neck, so tuck of the chin like I'm trying to push the wall away at the occiput, keeping that curled sternum, little push away at the occiput with that tuck of the chin. I shift and I inhale into it. I shift and I inhale into it. Remembering that we're training that introversion of this shoulder, so we're getting that soft elevation, lateral rotation, protraction to give me that arc of the back body stretch on my outside line. We'll then come to one hand. We'll do the same thing. You're going to have left hand take the strap, right soft bear paw on the sternum to collapse it, to curl it in. We shift into the left ball of foot. As we keep the sternum curled, we let the shoulder lengthen up and away, arm comes up and away. Inhale into that stretch, exhaling, hanging off of the anchor point as we transfer through. Soft left bear paw as we stand into that fourth toe head, lightest contact of the heel as I tuck my tail, curl my sternum around the spiral staircase, long up with the arm. Inhale into the stretch, and exhaling, we come back home. One more time, I'll shift through. Left hand takes the strap, right hand soft on sternum. We inhale, and exhaling, hanging back and through. Right hand on strap, left hand soft on sternum as we inhale through. And exhaling, we come back home. Now, we start to add a crossover into it. Both arms come back to grabbing, and we're going to take right foot over the left. We stand into that right ball of foot as we tuck the tail, curl the sternum, come up and away. And exhaling as we hang back away from the strap, we come back to our wide stance, or maybe just shoulder width if we want to bring it in a little bit. We cross over, we stand into that left ball of foot, curling the tail and the sternum. And exhaling as we hang back away from the strap, we cross over once again. Inhaling, keeping that tuck of the tail, keeping that curl of the sternum, really reaching up and out in opposition to the tuck and the curl. We come back. Last time, we cross over, we stand into that ball of the foot, not dropping into your heel, just lightest contact with that heel, and exhaling, we come back home. Now the left hand is going to take the strap as we cross over. Right hand soft bear paw, we come away and through. It's the same arm sequence. We're just doing it with a crossover in the feet now. Right hand takes the strap, left hand on sternum, we tuck and we lengthen up and through. Exhaling as we hang back. We'll do one more set. Left hand takes it, right hand soft bear paw, we inhale. And exhaling. Right hand takes it, left soft bear paw on sternum, inhaling up and away. And exhaling. To warm this down, I go back into a little bit of soft, small crossover with both arms, just to go through a little softer range. We sort of lessen the amplitude of the whole exercise. And then maybe we'll keep it a little wide stance. We'll go back and forth. We might do wide stance with one arm first, just to let it soften into that equilibrium. Both arms. And then finally ending at center. And that is our maypole, our standing back body sternum spiral stretch that is actually reciprocal because we're going side to side.